Hi, my name is Charles Malky, biologist and plant expert with Ivory Organics, where we grow cool plants, and I'm happy to announce that Ivory Organic has a buy one, get one half off sale in the month of August. And there's only a few more days left for taking advantage of this awesome sale that can help get your hands on some of these important products at some of the most hottest days of the year. Protect your plant investment, which again, you should have done at the time of planting for those of you that planted in spring. But even for those of you doing summer pruning, whitewashing is another important time to protect your plants from summer sunburn. That includes your first, second, and third degree sunburn damage. Ivory Organic specializes in developing organic, effective, USA-made products to help protect your plants from the hottest days of summer, coldest days of winter, help curbing those weather extremes while also protecting your plants from a lot of the pests that can affect the overall health of your plants. The Ivory Organic Whitewash formula protects your plants from damaging summer sunburn and winter sun scald, whereas the Ivory Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard has the added benefits of 7 natural oils, which include castor, cinnamon, clove, garlic, peppermint, rosemary, and spearmint, which are natural insect and rodent repellent oils. Those are encapsulated in the base ingredients. When brushed onto your plants, offers your plants months of protection, not just from weather, but also from pests. These products are also available in the ready-to-use spray bottles. This one here is our newest, based off the whitewash formula, to help protect your plants again from weather extremes, in addition to helping with transplant shock. Once this sale ends, be on the lookout for a sale on the Ivory Organic all-purpose fertilizers, which offer your plants all 6 plant macronutrients. Unlike most products that focus on just the NPK, Ivory Organic offers your plants the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. All 6 plant macronutrients which plants need in abundance in the soil in order for optimal health, growth, and performance. The fall is an excellent time to feed your plants one more time before some of those plants go into hibernation, or for your tropical plants to make sure that they have all of the nutrition necessary to overwinter with maximum health. As always, be sure to give us that thumbs up, share us with your gardening friends and family, and be sure to keep growing with Ivory Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening.